Emily? You know, when they're a litter of one, they learn to go to the refrigerator for their food. I got your bottle right here, honey. Let me test it, make sure we ain't got it too hot. Yeah, it's a little cool. Come here, baby dogs. Come here, get your bottle. I just had some dog food. Oh, yummy. I should put her on a... Actually put him on a blanket so I'm not slipping around. Says, yeah, baby, take this bottle. Yeah, baby. Come here, Emily. Emily, you got a big head. Turn this thing off.